1 h over cube, and we need to calculate the volume. That is equal to a cube, and this is equal to 6 cube, which is equal to 116. The three dimensions of the prism, that are 8, 6 and 10, and the multiplication of this would give us the volume that is equal to 480. In this question, we know the volume that is equal to 240, and this is equal to the multiplication of all three edges that are equal to 5 and 4 and x that we do not know. Let's change these by dots. So x is equal to 240 over 20, which is equal to 12. What we are asked is the volume, and what we are given are the area and the height that are equal to 36 and 13, and the volume is the multiplication of these two, which is equal to, let's make the multiplication together. What we have here is 8, 10, 36, 468. We're given the all three dimensions and the volume of a prism, and we're asked about 2x, not x. Let's calculate it. So the volume is equal to the multiplication of all three dimensions times 4x, and 64 is equal to 8 times x cubed. That means that x cubed is equal to 64 over 8, that is 8, which means that x is equal to cubic root of this, which is equal to 2, and 2x is equal to 2 times 2, that gives us 4. We have a prism with dimensions 7 times 7 times 7. Actually, this is a cube, and the volume of this is 7's cube. That is equal to, what we have here is 7's cube, which is equal to 343. Now we have the right prism here with dimensions of 14 times 6 times 5, and we're asked about the volume. So this is equal to 30 times 14, and this is equal to, let's calculate together, 42, 420. We have two prisms here, and we're asked about the ratio of their volumes, and their dimensions are 6, 6, 6, 2, 10, 6, 8, and this ratio is, when I simplify these, I have 2 6's left. When I divide this by 2, this is going to be 4, this is going to be 3. When I divide this again by 2, this is going to be 2, this is going to be 3. So what I have in V1 is equal to 3 times 3, that is 9, and what I have in the denominator is 20. I have a cylinder here, and the volume of the cylinder is equal to pi square times h, and this is equal to pi times r squared, 16 times 8, and this is equal to 128 pi cubic centimeters. This time what I have is the radius is equal to 4, but the height is only equal to 4, 2, so the volume is equal to pi square, pi times r squared times h, that is equal to pi times r squared, that is 16, 4 squared times 4, which is equal to 64 pi. In this question, the AB that I am given is not the radius, but it is the diameter. So what I need to find out is the radius, that is equal to half of the diameter, that is 4 over 2, which is 2 centimeters. I already know the height is equal to 12, so it's possible to calculate the volume now. Pi square, pi r square times h, which is equal to pi times r is equal to 2, r squared is equal to 4, times 12, that is equal to 48 pi. I know the height is equal to 10 and the radius is equal to 6. So what I need to do is just to calculate the volume. That is equal to pi times r squared times h, which is equal to, the radius is 6, so it's 36 times 10 pi.